You guys, my friends and I have been outside. Like, we just come home to sleep these days. This November, it's going to be like a yes month. Alison, do you want yes? Alison, can we go? Yes, Alison. So yeah, I've been outside with my friends. The other day we went to this Spotify event and you guys, it was so much fun. We were just dancing. And I never even dance in public because if you know me, you know that I can dance to save my life. But you know, oh god, I didn't even know when I started dancing. When we were done, I went to I went to Jay's Diner alone to go and eat because I was so hungry. And I couldn't imagine like coming back home like with no food. Yesterday I went to Johnny Drew's live with Sasuke. You guys, that was my first time at Johnny Drew's concert and I had such a good time. If you're a lover girl, like love songs, make sure you go to the next one. But anyway, today is Monday. My friends and I just decided to go to the beach because why not? Just wanted to keep you guys updated so we can continue from here. So yeah, let's go to the beach.
Hi
Okay.
guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube?
Okay, Needle Johnson. Just type Needle Johnson. He's in content, share that lifestyle, vlogs and shit.
Fashion.
Fashion.
I'm gonna break down your own small pocket. You guys. Sure, yesterday I didn't record a thing because I was just on my couch sleeping because I was so tired after the day I had during the weekend and even on Monday. I was just so tired. But anyway, today I have a shoot. I'm shooting for one of my favorite brands, Guinness. It's a quick video anyway, just like an unboxing. But I'm just waiting for my videographer now to get here so we can start shooting because shoot days always make me so anxious, no matter how easy it is. I just always get anxious because I really want it to come out well. And I'm going to get ready now. When the videographer gets here, I'll turn the camera back on. See you guys later. Guinness! You guys, I'm finally done shooting. It's I've just been sitting doing nothing. But now I have to get ready. I don't intend to do too much on my face as usual. I just want to brighten up my eye features. I really like this lip gloss. Like it just makes my lip pop. Show you guys what I'm wearing. Nothing serious ones. Yeah, cute. Okay, it's currently 7:42, and I'm just leaving the house. Like, and I always have to take off my shoes because I only wore these shoes so I could show you guys my full feet. I think we should listen to Adidamola, Fireboy's new album. You guys, I'm obsessed. Guys, I need the lighting so bad, but anyway, I'm finally home. I just go home. I'm going to bed right now. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
That she's about to make huge on my face.